If you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel but you are scared because nobody might watch your videos and you are confused to start YouTube channel in 2026 or not because the competition is really high, you might have lost opportunity by not starting in 2024, but you are wrong. And this video is for you because in 2026 you can start a brand new YouTube channel and get as much as views as top creators get just by using this. Yes, you heard it right, just this. But for that, first you have to start. But by the end of this video, I'll give you few main reasons that might probably convince you to start and grow your YouTube channel in 2026. Even if no one watches, because who am I today and what I have, all the skills, respect, money is all because of this YouTube channel. Even with just 7K subscribers, your market value grows. After you start your YouTube journey, you become valuable in the market. Because in YouTube, even if you don't get millions of subscribers, even if you don't consider yourself as successful, you don't make tons of money online, but there is one thing that no one can take away from you. Before I started this YouTube journey, I was 19 years old at the time, and I thought my life was pretty much of a loser. Why? Because I didn't have any skills. I was 19 years old, not making any money. I was not good at academics. School time, I was like really decent guy, B+. In college, I was not good at academics. I used to play PUBG. I didn't have any skills. I knew little bit of coding, like little bit, which is not highly valuable, just little bit. So I thought my life was pretty much as a loser. I was 19. I have to have shit figured out. Like when you're 19, you have to have shit figured out. I hadn't. But after this 1.5 year of journey on this YouTube channel, the person that I am today is completely different than the person I was 19 years old because of the skills that I hold. See, in order to make videos on YouTube, you need to learn 10 to 15 minimum skills. And these individual skills are very high income skills. Just like editing is high income skills, scripting is high income skills, designing is high income skills, SEO, analytics, all are individual skills that people pay so much money to just learn. But since you have started a YouTube channel, you have all the knowledge about these skills. And this experience and skill that you have is something that no one can take away from you. Even while you are sending the resume, you can add your YouTube channel link. And this shows that you have much more experience and skills, which cause you to have higher chance of getting that opportunity. Second, your digital portfolio grows. Though each of your video is just getting 50 views, but over time you are creating ocean of videos. Over time you are creating a digital footprint for anyone to watch those videos in next 5 years. But here's the interesting thing. Once you start to see little bit of attraction, once you start to grow little bit, when you search your name on Google, your name starts to appear, your photo starts to appear. And you can flex that. I certainly do. When someone says, what do you do? I just say, do you have a phone? Do you have a Google in your phone? And they just say, yeah, I have a Google in my phone. And I'm like, search my name. It's so fun to do that. You should definitely try. But here's the main thing of this. YouTube is social media. And in social media, you never know what happens next. Maybe you might be just uploading random videos, just like your previous videos. But you never know when that video starts to get picked up by the algorithm. And then you realize, it's suddenly getting picked up by the algorithm. It was just a normal video. But soon, after a few days, you realize this video has been your most watched video. Ooh, that's amazing. And after a few weeks, you go from 100 subscribers to over 100,000 subscribers. This has happened to me and also with Maggie. So when I started my journey, over the first 9 months, I didn't saw any growth. Over that time, I had uploaded 15 videos. I had roughly around 176 subscribers and I thought I was not growing. But I made a video. Random videos, just like my old videos. It was out of my niche, communication related video. And when I uploaded that video, for the first 3 days, that was my worst performing video. Worst, lower than my average views. But after 3 days, that video starts to get picked up by the algorithm. And soon, it becomes my most watched video. Soon, it gets 100K views. And today, it has over 200K views. That single video took me from having around 176 subscribers to over 5,000 subscribers. That single video. Same thing happened to Maggie McCormack. This video that I'm putting here was from Maggie McCormack. When she uploaded this video, she had roughly around 1,500 subscribers. But today, this single video has got her over 150K subscribers. So it's social media. You never know what happens. Therefore, if you have not started YouTube channel or you are just posting on YouTube, keep posting it. Because you never know what is waiting for you in the other side. You create impact. I love this thing about long form content. Though you think that Instagram and TikTok is for education, which certainly they are not, I believe they are just to scroll and get quick dopamine hits. But YouTube is for real education, because there is a difference between 30-minute long video and 30-second long video. Though you learn something valuable in that 30-second long video in Instagram, but after you scroll past 2-3 videos, you'll already forget what that creator taught in the above videos. But that doesn't happen with YouTube. In YouTube, when you make long-form educational videos, you provide value. Either that's your knowledge, either that's your skills, either that's your experience, something. Even if it is one person who is watching your video, you are providing value to him. And here's the most interesting thing. Once you provide value to someone, you create impact on the society. And once you create impact, you get respect. And I have personally experienced this thing. I was a normal guy in my gym and in my university, like still normal, not abnormal. But what I realized was, over this period of time, is that the way people look at me now is completely different. Nowadays, they look at me with respect and confidence, and I have felt that. Not because I have a YouTube channel and not because I have 7K subscribers, which is really less, but because I provide value in my video and they resonate with my personality. Even with just 7K subscribers, maybe if I had not uploaded educational videos and if I had posted vlogs, comedy videos, TikTok reels and dancing videos, you already got it, then maybe I will not have got that respect and people will not have cared of me. Still they don't. But at least if you provide value in your videos, people care about that person and people will respect it. That's why you must start your YouTube channel. You'll have growth. There might be lots of you right now who is watching this video who don't see themselves growing in life. They don't see themselves progressing towards something. There are lots of you. And I was also in that phase when I was 19 years old, when I started this YouTube channel. Even, I think when just couple of months, I was just feeling the same thing. Like I'm not progressing towards something, I'm not having growth. And since you are not progressing towards something, you're not seeing growth, you don't have ability to take pressure. And if any external pressure comes to you, about life, about relationships, about anything, you try to escape out from it. Either through watching reels, cheap dopamine hit, you get back to your addiction or something, you start to run away from that pressure. But if you start your YouTube channel, you'll be very good at handling that pressure. No matter how big pressure it is, you'll be very good at it. Because there was a time when I got good views on my videos and I was super happy. But there was a time, for very long period of time, where I was in a death valley of desert where I didn't got any views. At the time, I used to have lots of pressure. I'm 19, not making any money, living with my parents. Still, this is my grandmom's room. She's sharing her room with me and I'm here. I'm 21 right now. There's lots of pressure in me. But since I'm in this YouTube journey and I have felt much more bigger pressure than this, like hate comments and everything, I can cope up with it. The second thing that you'll have growth is you'll be comfortable with rejections. As so you know, I was an introvert guy. And maybe you are too. And for introvert guy who is really shy, who gets awkward to talk with people, for us, asking help to someone, it's really awkward. It's such a difficult thing. And if someone says no, if we ask the help, the world comes crumbling down. Oh shit, like he said no, how did he say no? I don't know what to do, like it's such an awkward thing. This happens to us and it has happened to me lots of time because we are not familiar with getting rejection, which is very good skill. But since I started this YouTube channel, I got comfortable with getting rejection. Because you expect so much things from your video to blow up and it does not blow up. It does not even get views that you expected, like not even 10 views. You got rejected. You got hate comments. But the main thing that you'll have growth on is you'll become disciplined in this journey. YouTube makes you consistent. And if you're consistent in making videos, then you are automatically disciplined. And not only disciplined, you'll learn so much of things in this journey. You'll have so much of growth. Finally, after all the hard work, we came to the main thing, and that's the reward. If you sow a seed and nurture it every single day, after a certain time, you'll be able to eat the fruit. Same thing. After long hard work, after lots of trial and error, you start to get better at making content. And once you start to get better at making content, you'll get monetized. There are two criteria. First, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hour watch time. Once you complete this, now you'll start to make money from it. But here's the interesting thing. Those videos that you thought were flop videos in initial days, which didn't got lots of views, but once you get monetized, it starts to get views. And once it starts to get views, you start to make money from it. There are lots of videos that I have uploaded 1 year ago and still it's making money for me till today, and it will keep on making money till next 40, 50, 60 years until I leave passively. But this is not the main reward. The main reward is you'll become different person in this journey. You'll become mentally tough, emotionally stable, very confident, problem solver. You'll get respect, highly skilled, and even you'll make tons and tons and tons of money if you choose to go on a business side. If you choose to monetize your audience through your business. You'll also get affiliates, you'll also get brand deals. But even if you don't get all of this, you'll still have all the things that I've said you. You'll still have skills, you'll still have knowledge, you'll still be charismatic, you'll still have confidence, you'll still be disciplined, you'll still be emotionally stable, and you'll become a growth mindset guy that everyone wants to hang around with an amazing portfolio and lots of memories. The thing is, it's not only about the destination once you start your YouTube channel. Neither it's about the journey. It's about the person that you become in the journey. And I know this journey will surely change you, as it has done for me. Starting this YouTube channel has been the best thing I've ever done in my life. So will be yours. Give it a try. If you love this video, then you'll definitely love this video where I talk about how small channels are blowing up recently and how can you do. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.